Hi there, my name is Mathew and my roll number is 21BT30015 and I belong to the section 12, and this is the project that I have made for the first assignment of the DIY labs. It is called the arc reactor and it is meant to be a toy for kids. So let's look into how I made this model. Well, I started off by making a sketch of two circles with the same center, the inner one having a radius of 22.5 millimeters and the outer one having a radius of 35 millimeters. Then I fabbed it to a height of 10 millimeters over here all the way around, and then I chamfered it at the edges so it has this cool looking design. Then I made a sketch for these pillars all the way around by I just made the sketch and then I fabbed it and selected the two-dimension length in it, putting the first length to be 1 millimeter and the second length to be 10 millimeters. So having done that, I then started to work on my core. In the core, I first made a circle of radius 22.5 millimeters, same as the inner circle over here, and then I inserted a gear and used the cutout option to be able to create this cool looking design right over here. Then I inserted two more cylinders right over here to finish up the core, with this cylinder having an inner radius of 13 millimeters and an outer radius of 15 millimeters. Then moving on to the bottom part of this arc reactor, I inserted another cylinder over here of length 30 millimeters and I chamfered it down here to a size of 10 millimeters. Then finally I finished it off by using a cylinder and a gear as a base. So this is how I made the model. Let's look at what it looks like when it's all meshed up. Yeah, so this is what it looks like all the way around, smooth and all that. Now let's look at what it looks like in the Ultimaker Cura. So here I have already sliced it up so it shows the print time and the weight over here, but let's just look into its print details. So as you can see here, I have kept the layer height to be 0.2 mm and the infill density to be 20% and the print temperature to be 205 degrees and the print speed to be 60 mm per second, and I have also made sure that it has enough support and addition. So yeah, and finally it shows a print time of 4 hours and 55 minutes and a mass of 88 grams. So yeah, this is how I made my first assignment in the DIY lab. Thank you.